In this video, you are going to see how to insert a timer in Microsoft PowerPoint. Go to Home, go to Add-ins and right here break time. Select this one and here you will see a break time has been appeared. Click on Show Setting. I can change the font color from here. I can change the alarm sound. Let us change the background color like this. If I want to add the title, I can add from here. Let me change the font family. Now let me uncheck the show setting. Now change the time from here to 5 minutes and 15 seconds and click on start. Then the timer will be started. If I click on stop, it will be stop. I can increase or decrease the size and I can put it anywhere in my PowerPoint. Click on start and it will be starting. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.